Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to unbox the laptop of Lenovo Ideapad Gaming 3. I purchased this laptop in a Lenovo official website in the corporate offer. The cost of the laptop is 50,931 rupees. Let's unbox. The laptop comes with the laptop bag. The laptop was well packed. The back quality is very good. Now let's unbox the laptop. The laptop comes with additional hard disk port and connector. It is the manual. The charger is very good because it is an 135 watt charger. Cables are also very good quality and decently very good length. The laptop is more heavier than normal day-to-day laptops. Yeah, because I expected already because it is a gaming laptop, so it has cooling fans and cooling system, so that the weight is a little bit higher than normal laptop. It is something related to warranty claim. That is, yes, we will see later. This is the laptop. The laptop was not turned on, so we have to charge the laptop and we'll see later. laptop was set up. The laptop initially looks like this. It comes with keyboard backlight. The backlight is very good. I like Lenovo laptops because it has more features than normal laptops. Here are some features that I am using. Keyboard lights. I purchased the laptop skin for my laptop, but the skin is not really good quality because when I am removing the sticker, the glue is residing in my laptop. So don't buy this kind because it is not good. And I also purchased the laptop stand for my laptop. The stand is very good because I am using this stand more than 1 month. It's very sturdy and in good quality, lightweight and portable. So I will give the link in description. You can also purchase that stand if you want. And I also run the Unity game engine in my laptop. It's running very smooth. So it's performing very well. I bought this laptop for game development and some embedded related works like Arduino IDE and STM, that kind of IDEs. This is the display comparison between my old HP laptop and Lenovo Ideapad Gaming 3. In most of the reviews, they say Lenovo Ideapad Gaming 3 display is not a very good display, but it is quite enough for me. The display supports HDR videos, 4K HDR videos, so it's look good. But the color gradient is only not that much satisfying. That's only the problem. But otherwise, it has also have anti-glare reflecting coating, so it's look good. That's all about this video. I will post the features of Lenovo Ideapad Gaming 3 in separate videos, so don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel. Thank you.